logistics and transitions towards greener and cost-efficient trucks, fleet owners are increasingly evaluating CNG and electric rather than the traditional diesel truck. The push of sustainability, government incentives, and the rising of fuel price are pushing them to this shift. But which option is better for haulage? Let us look at that in this video in complete detail. If you purchase a Tata Signa 2818 CNG truck, it will cost you around 39.26 lakhs to 43.26 lakhs, while a electric truck Tata Prima E.28K will cost you around 30.25 lakhs. The available subsidies is limited state level support for CNG truck, while a electric truck Central FAME 2 plus state subsidies are given. The battery replacement is not applicable for CNG truck, while for electric truck 3 to 5 lakhs after 6 to 8 years is given. The refuel and recharge time is 5 to 10 minutes for CNG truck, while a electric truck can take around 90 minutes or 5 hours depending on the charger. The running maintenance cost. CNG truck fuel cost is 80 to 85 rupees per kg, while for electric truck it is 1.2 rupees to 1.5 rupees per kilometer based on 7 rupees per unit for EV. The mileage on CNG truck is 4.5 to 5 km per kg, while in electric truck it is 150 to 200 kilometers per charge. If you didn't understand the table, I will explain you in detail. The electricity trucks consume electricity is measured in kilowatt hours per kilometer, which is you pay for each unit of electricity just like you pay for per kg fuel or per liter. If a truck uses 2.26 kilowatt of electricity to run 1 kilometer or 1 unit kilowatt of electricity will cost 7 rupees, which means cost per kilometer 2.26 into 7 will come around 15 rupees 0.82 paise per kilometer. If a truck is heavier or it is climbing hills, it will consume more electricity. You say 3.02 kilowatt per hour, which the cost per kilometer 3.02 into 7 will come around 21 rupees 14 paise per kilometer. Now the CNG trucks runs on certain number of kilometer of kg of CNG fuel. So you divide the price of 1 kg by the number of kilometer it runs. If 1 kg of CNG cost 80 rupees and the truck gives you 4.5 kilometer per kg, 80 rupees divided by 4.5 will come around 17 rupees 0.78 paise per kilometer. If the truck is efficient and give you 5 km per kg, you can calculate like cost per kilometer 80 rupees divided by 5 will come around 16 rupees per kilometer. The very important environmental impact. The tailpipe emissions is 25% less CO2 than diesel truck. In electric truck, it is zero tailpipe emissions. The pollutants also reduced but not zero in CNG truck, but electric truck is zero depends on the power source. The market insight of 2024 H1 data says that CNG trucks are sold 43,889 units, while an electric truck is sold 3,467 units. CNG currently dominates, but EV adoptions is rising with incentives. Now what should a fleet owner choose? Key things to consider before buying CNG truck or electric truck. For CNG, only consider CNG if you are using operational routes which has CNG stations, especially on highways between major cities like Delhi Kanpur and Mumbai Pune highways. Factory fitted CNG tanks add weight. So compare GVW ratio carefully. Choose petrol plus CNG variants for areas which are unreliable on CNG availability, especially on Tier 2 cities. CNG engines are hotter. Ensure cooling systems are robust. And also see if you have service centers nearby which are specialized in CNG trucks. Now for electric truck. If your truck returns to base daily, example Chennai to Bangalore, invest in depot-based fast charging rather than depending on public charging points. Always assess with real-world range with full cargo. A 150 km claim can drop to 100 km if you use AC and max your cargo load. Look for at least 5 years, 1 lakh kilometers battery warranties from OEMs like Tata or eTrio. The government benefits. Check for active EV subsidies in your states, especially in Delhi, Gujarat and Maharashtra, and cut the upfront cost to 1 to 1.5 lakh. Electric trucks offers unmatched sustainabilities and lower operating costs for short-term hauls, while the CNG trucks offer reliable and sustainable solutions for long-haul trucking. CNG is the bridge and EV is the future, especially in India. So let us know what you think about both these trucks in the comment section.